Hi viewers, today we are going to discuss about holy basil, also known as tulsi plant care in UAE. Scientific name of tulsi is Ocimum tenuliforum as well as Ocimum sanctum. This is commonly known as holy basil or tulsi. It is an aromatic perennial plant. It is a herbal plant. It belongs to family Lamiaceae. Tulsi is a native to the Indian subcontinent and widespread throughout the Southeast Asian tropics. Tulsi is cultivated for religious and traditional medicinal purposes and also for its essential oils. Tulsi is widely used as herbal tea, commonly used in Ayurveda to treat many conditions. When come to the point of soil for Tulsi, Tulsi grows well in loamy and fertile soil with good drainage. Tulsi grows in slightly acidic, neutral to slightly alkaline soil. Soil pH must be between 6 to 7.5. It requires fertile soil. When come to the point of soil mix, for Tulsi plant you have to take 1 part of coco peat, 2 parts of garden soil, 1 part of organic compost or cow dung or kitchen compost. These 3 things you have to mix for Tulsi. When come to the point of sunlight, Tulsi grows well in full sun, but you can grow it in partial shade also. It requires minimum 4 hours of sunlight. It is outdoor plant. You can grow Tulsi in balconies also. When come to the point of watering, do not overwater the plant. Water the plant when top 1 inch of the soil is dry. It likes to stay moist. Water deeply at least once in a week to Tulsi to keep the roots growing deep and the soil moist. When come to the point of fertilizer, you have to give fertilizer to Tulsi plants every 2 weeks. Better to use organic fertilizer like cow dung, vermicompost or kitchen compost for Tulsi plant. When come to the point of pruning, prune Tulsi as needed throughout the year to control the size and to promote it as a bushier and more compact growth. Mealybugs, aphids, spider mites and sometimes whiteflies are common pests in Tulsi. For pest control, you have to use neem oil. Mix 2 tablespoons of neem oil with 1 gallon of water and spray on the plant till plants get completely wet. Use this pest control method at evening times when temperatures are low. You can propagate Ocimum through seeds and cutting. Propagation through cuttings are difficult. Better to propagate through seeds. While propagating through cuttings, take 4-inch cuttings from the established plant and remove the leaves from the bottom of the cutting. Then plant the cutting into the potting mix. With 1 to 2 weeks, you will get roots in the baby plant. If you want, you can apply rooting hormone also. While propagating through seeds, place the Tulsi seeds on the top of the potting mix. Cover the seeds with 1 by 4 inch layer of potting mix. Water the seeds with sprayer and place them where they receive morning sun. Keep the soil constantly moist until the germination. Germination will take 1 to 2 weeks. After seedlings are ready, transplant the plant into individual containers. Ocimum sanctum has been used in Ayurveda for treatment of many diseases. The leaves, stems and the seeds are used to make medicines. It is a herbal plant which is used to treat many conditions including H1N1, swine flu, diabetes, common cold, headache, fever. To know more about the uses of Ocimum sanctum plant, you can watch my next video about health benefits of Tulsi. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Shah's Garden Tech. Thank you.